As the state continues to fight against federal mental health funding cuts, a Wisconsin organization is helping area school districts in their efforts to take care of their students. On July 1st, Wisconsin joined 15 other states in a lawsuit filed against the U.S. Department of Education after $1 billion in 5-year grants for mental health funding were terminated, including $10 million in Wisconsin. According to the Wisconsin Department of Justice, the funds were primarily used to support school-based mental health programs, and the state only used $2.2 million of its awarded funds before the grants were frozen back in April.
Those budgets for mental health have always been tight and inadequate. So the school districts are doing what they can to fill in those gaps.
18 school districts in Wisconsin have partnered with the WEA Member Benefits Foundation, which is a public charity assisting schools in continuing their mental health services despite funding decreases.
They're using money that we've provided them through unrestricted multi-year grants to offset the cost of access to therapy and counseling services. 2
of the districts that received assistance included D.C. Everest and Lakeland area. DCE received a $20,000 grant last year to sustain mental health support systems, and Lakeland also received funding earlier this year.
When you are getting the right people around a table and caring about students just as much as our educators do, good things can happen.
When we surveyed school district leaders throughout the state a few years ago, 2019, 2020, we asked what keeps them awake at night, and a common answer was student mental health because of the funding issues. We're excited and we're proud of what we've been able to do so far, but there's a lot more work that has to be done.
As the lawsuit between the 16 states and the U.S. Department of Education unfolds, local districts with help from the WEA continue to make school-related mental health services available for students in need. In studio, I'm Dylan Eckart.